Hi, I'm Ken Partain with Central Texas Technology Solutions in Georgetown. This is part 7 of 7 of our cloud computing video series. However, I have a short bonus video for you tomorrow to wrap up this series, so stay tuned. Today's video will cover critical questions to ask your IT company or computer consultant before letting them move your network to the cloud. Question number 1. How many clients have you provided cloud services for to date, and can you provide references? Our answer: you don't want someone practicing on your network. At a minimum, make sure they have implemented several solutions to different customers. Not every business is the same, and neither should the cloud solutions. Question number 2. How quickly do they guarantee to have a technician working on an outage or other problem? Our answer: anyone you pay to support your network should give you a written SLA or service level agreement that outlines exactly how IT issues get resolved and in what time frame. I would also suggest that they reveal what their average resolution time has been with current clients over the last 3 to 6 months. They should also answer their phones live Monday through Friday and provide you with an emergency after-hours number they can call if a problem arises, including weekends. If you cannot access your network because the internet is down or due to some other problem, you can't be waiting around for hours for someone to call you back, or more importantly, start working on resolving the issue. Make sure you get this in writing. Often cheaper or less experienced consultants won't have this or will try and convince you it's not important or that they can't do this. Don't buy that excuse. They are in the business of providing IT support, so they should have some guarantees or standards around this that they share with you. Question number 3. What's your plan for transitioning your network to the cloud to minimize problems and downtime? Our answer: make sure that they run a simultaneous cloud environment during the transition, and don't turn off the old network until everyone is 100% confident that everything has been transitioned and is working effortlessly. You don't want someone to switch overnight without setting up a test environment first. Question number 4. Where will your data be stored? Our answer: you should receive full documentation about where your data is, how it's being secured and backed up, and how you could get access to it if necessary without going through your provider. Essentially, you don't want your cloud provider to be able to hold your data and your company hostage. Question number 5. How will your data be secured and backed up? Our answer: if they tell you that your data will be stored in their own colo in the back of their office, what happens if they get destroyed by fire, flood, or other disaster? What are they doing to secure the office and access? Are they backing it up somewhere else? By the way, a colo is a co-located server facility separate from your own office. Make sure they are SAS 70 certified and have a failover plan in place to ensure continuous service in the event that their location goes down. If they are building on another platform, you still want to find out where your data is and how it's being backed up. Question number 6. What is their disaster recovery plan? What happens if they go out of business? Our answer: there shouldn't be any secrets on where your data is stored and how you can access it. Most cloud providers have provisions for this very scenario. If they are legitimate organizations, they also encrypt your data and give you the ability to record the encryption key so you are the only one with access to your data. Question number 7. Do they have adequate errors and omissions insurance as well as workers' compensation insurance to protect you? Our answer: here is something to consider. If they cause a problem with your network that causes you to be down for hours or days or to lose data, who is responsible? Here's another question to consider. If one of their technicians gets hurt at your office, who's paying? In this litigious society we live in, you better make sure that whoever you hire is adequately insured with both errors and omissions insurance and workers' compensation. And don't be shy about asking to see their latest insurance policies. Question number 8. When something goes wrong with your internet service, phone systems, printers, or other IT services, do they own the problem, or do they say that's not our problem to fix? Our answer: if they've moved you to the cloud, they should own the problem for their clients, so you don't have to try and resolve any of these issues on your own. That's just plain old good service and something many computer guys won't do. If you're considering moving your data to the cloud, give us a call at 512-388-5559, and we'd be happy to discuss the transition with you. You can also find us online at cttsonline.com. Be sure to follow our pages on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube for future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.